Hey guys, I found a bunch of really cool websites which I thought I will share with you. So let's just get started. Amazon Style Snap. Okay, imagine that you have a photo of a dress online and now you want to search for that. What do you even type? You're gonna go to amazon.com/style snap. Now, when you get to this web page, you're going to upload the photo that you've saved or taken a screenshot of. And yes, it will help you spot it. You will be able to spot similar style dresses too. Now see the little dots? If you click on another item, it will open up that also for you. Number 2, Supercook. If you're done looking at the fridge and can't figure out what to cook even now, go to supercook.com. When you get to the website, add the ingredients that you currently have and they get added to the pantry. Now the more ingredients that you add, the more recipes come up. You can see the calorie factor and nutritional count for each recipe here. So enjoy these recipes and great home-cooked food. Number 3, TuneFind. Whenever we watch a series or a movie and some interesting music comes up, we want to know about it. Sometimes the music is so short that the phone apps you want to use for locating it couldn't search it because the music on TV is long gone. So go to tunefind.com and quick search for the series, season and the episode. It identifies the exact song with the name of the artist. Push the play button and have a little sample to make sure if it's the right one. Next is explore.org. If you open this website, you will get a whole bunch of categories to choose from for exploring wildlife. For example, choose Africa and you can see live videos captured and happening right now. See next one and you will be slowly able to capture what is actually happening around the world. Next is makemydrivefun.com. So if you're heading for an amazing road trip, go to makemydrivefun.com, put your source and destination and then it will pick out all the cool things to do along the way. How cool is it, right? Next is noises.online. Bring those awesome nature sounds indoors with this site. You see this website with a whole bunch of various icons. Each one of these have a different scene and different mood and you can simply click on it and get your entire scene. Enjoy some great sounds of the nature. Last is pre-80sarcade.com. Oh my god, nowadays you can play on PlayStation or Oculus, but the nostalgic memories of 80s can come back with this website. Play those games that we used to spend hours and hours at arcade. So check here Frogger, Kung Fu, Gunsmoke and much more. Enjoy them today. We hope that these websites were really amazing for you as well. It was amazing for me. If there are more websites you want to share, our comment section is open for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to our video as well.